Hi everybody, welcome back to Book Talk with Notion Press. We have with us Miss,
Dr. Raavee Tripathi.
the author of
15 Doors to Meeting Your Higher Self is just half an hour of practice.
Wow, wonderful. Is this your first book fair experience?
Not actually.
Okay.
I am an author, feeling very excited and overwhelmed to be a part of this book fair. Not as a visitor, but a participation.
Right, wonderful. So, ma'am, about your book, what is one thing you think like your book stands out in its theme or in its genre?
Yeah. So, what I think that this book is for each and everyone whosoever feels that I have not given my best.
Right.
So, to meet the best version, pick this book. Go
Right.
through it. It is so relatable that unless and until you complete it, you'll not keep going.
Writing can be full of ups and downs, right? For you to write this book, what were some of the biggest challenges that you faced?
Yeah, the biggest challenge was picking up the best instances which I wanted to portray through books so that public can resonate. That was the biggest challenge.
So we have a huge community of writers on Instagram. What is one piece of advice you would give to our authors?
Yeah, so I would suggest that do not crib or pine for what is not.
Okay.
Always try to believe in yourself, and before progress, accept yourself.
Wow, that is profound. Anyways, ma'am, thank you so much for sharing your experience with us.
My pleasure.
I hope you have a wonderful day
Thank you.
at the book
Thank you
fair.
so much.
Thank you so much.